I received this beautiful comment that I want to share. Just got a hardcover copy. Love the way the format breaks down chapters into titled subchapters. The material is quick to access and easy to read. I'm just scratching the surface of the first few chapters, but as a VO hobbyist, I appreciate you acknowledging my demographic. The book really does inject a sense of self-confidence. Thanks, Mark, for making all this info easily accessible. Now, first off, thank you, seriously, because you just summed up exactly why I wrote this book. Because here's the thing that nobody seems to say out loud in this industry. You don't have to go full-time to be a voice actor. You don't have to quit your job, move to LA, and eat instant ramen out of a booth. Hobbyists are VO artists too.
From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemcoff.
Look, not everyone wants to turn VO into a full-time hustle, and that's okay, because maybe you just want to dip your toe in, see if the water feels nice. Maybe you want to win a few jobs for fun and bragging rights. Maybe you just really like auditioning in pajama pants. But look, that still counts, because you're still a voice actor. There's no secret handshake or tax bracket required. And honestly, being a hobbyist might be the healthiest relationship with VO anyone can have. Why? Because when it's a hobby, you can enjoy it without the pressure of having to pay the rent with your larynx. Look, there's less stress, less burnout, and more joy. And if you love doing it, you don't want to have that love poisoned by panic and uncertainty, right? So here's a crucial tip if you're coming into VO as a hobbyist. Audition a lot. Because that's how you improve, how you get a feel for the game, and hey, how you might even stumble onto some big wins. Because audition like it's a sport, not a job. Treat it like a creative outlet, not a test you're going to fail. And most importantly, define success on your own terms. Maybe it's one paid gig, maybe it's hearing your voice on a YouTube ad. Whatever it is, own it. That's your scoreboard, nobody else's. And that's exactly what the Modern Voiceover Career Owner's Manual is all about. Not just the pros, not just the people with fancy booths and broadcast agents. It is for everyone who loves voiceover, even if you're doing it on nights and weekends. Look, even if you're still figuring it all out. So if you're a VO hobbyist, let me say this loud and clear. You belong here. Keep having fun, keep auditioning, and maybe keep reading. Thanks again for the amazing comment. Where are my hobbyists out there? Let me know, all right? Until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemcoff, fading to black.